Hey guys, how's it going today? I'm going to be showing you how you can make the screen smaller on your phone when you're texting. So this is mainly if you're trying to text with one hand and you need it on a certain side to match wherever your hand is. So let's go ahead and go into messages, and I'm just going to choose a random message here. And if you tap inside of the iMessage like you're about to type, what we can do is actually hold down the emoji button on the bottom left, and it'll come up with this. And you can actually go through the settings and stuff too. You can see if you want the keyboard to shift to the left, you would choose the left one. And then if you would like it to switch to the right, you can choose the right one. And then you can just do the middle. Now you can also make it smaller by swiping down on the screen, and the screen will come down. Now a lot of people say that they can only accomplish this by accident, which I definitely agree with, but whenever you're doing this, try to swipe down on the bottom middle of the screen below the space bar. And that does it for me. So just make sure you're right underneath the space bar and you swipe down pretty quick, and it'll come down like that. So I hope this helped you guys out. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.